What is the value of the expression 7e divided by 1 over 2 then times 4? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 1 over 2 multiplied by 4, which I have highlighted in yellow, because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they say it's easy to simplify the 4 with the 2 in the denominator and write this expression as 7e divided by 2, which finally gives them the answer 35. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option B. However, that's definitely wrong. Now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I've shown on this screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 7e divided by 1 over 2. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 7e multiplied by 2. Now, this expression simplifies to 140 times 4, which finally gives us the answer 560. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.